Apple's stylus that's definitely not a stylus hasn't been updated to go with the new iPad range, but it does work better on the iPad Pro 10.5, simply because the screen responds more quickly due to the improved latency. It can still take a little while to get used to using the pencil as an interaction tool, and no matter what Apple or anyone says about the feel, sliding across the screen with the rubber tip doesn't feel anything like writing on paper. It makes it harder to take notes with the same level of precision as a pen and paper combination, but it's not impossible. It's just that your handwriting will look a little less impressive. However, for more precision-dependent tasks such photo editing, graphic design or just painting, it's a very good idea to invest in the pencil, if you can afford it at $99, £99, 145 Australian dollars, as the nuanced touch the pencil offers enables you to work more accurately and effectively. We still wish there was more functionality built into the Apple Pencil, in the same way Microsoft has lumped in a few decent options with the stylus for the Surface Pro range. For instance, it would be great if there was a home button on there that could be easily clicked to take you back to the main screen, or held down to activate Siri or flick open the control center. When you're holding the pencil, it's annoying to have to put it down to hit the round button at the bottom of the iPad. We ended up tapping it with the point of the pencil at times, which feels truly counterintuitive.